Are you diabetics? Do you have type 1 or type 2 diabetics? Are you suffering from excessive sugar in your blood? Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you this super refreshing tea recipe that is diabetic friendly. This tea will help you to detox your blood and help in flushing out excessive sugar. The first ingredients that we're going to be needing is 1 lemon and 1 orange. We'll be missing these two amazing citric fruits in this recipe because of the contents that it contains. Citric fruits like oranges and lemon, they are very good for your health. They help in lower your blood sugar level because of their very low GI content. They are also very rich in vitamin C, folate, potassium, and fiber, which is very good for your system. They're also very rich in antioxidants. So after chopping, we're going to keep that aside and introduce the next ingredients. The next ingredients that we're going to be needing is sage herbs. We'll be needing this sage herb for this recipe because sage contains lots of antioxidants. They also help you to get rid of stress and flush out excessive sugar from your system. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is raspberries. We'll be needing a cup of raspberry for this recipe. Raspberries, guys, contains a lot of antioxidants and they are very low in sugar level. They will also help you to keep your own sugar level in check. So we're going to be transferring all ingredients into our mixing jug. Guys, using this tea in the morning every day will help you to keep your blood sugar in check. If you are diabetics and you are looking for the best tea that will help you to flush out excessive sugar from your body, this tea is a very good source to help you to keep your blood sugar in check. So after transferring all ingredients into the jug, we're going to be adding 3 cups of water. Then we'll be sealing it up. We'll be brewing it for up to 5 to 8 minutes. So after brewing it for 5 to 8 minutes, we'll come back and we'll give it a very good mix. So after 8 minutes, this is how our tea is looking like. So you give it a very good stir and you serve. You can choose to serve this tea hot or you can choose to serve it with ice. It is optional. This tea is very good for your system. It will also help to flush out toxins from your system, flush out excessive fats from your body. If you constipate a lot, this drink will help in getting rid of constipation. It will improve your digestion and it's very good for your skin. If you have watched in this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. And I want to appreciate all my old subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and always coming back to watch my content. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.